orange peel is said to be more beneficial than the fruit itself. It's rich in vitamin C that protects the skin from radical damage and keeps acne at bay. It's also rich in calcium that helps in reviving worn out cells, and is rich in magnesium and potassium. Magnesium helps to keep the skin hydrated, and potassium prevents oxidative stress, from the skin, and keeps your skin glowing. So the first thing you want to do is to take out the fruit. You get your freshly washed orange, you wash it well with distilled water if you have, and then you take out the fruit. So you want to work with the orange peel, and if you cannot take out the peel, you want to do as much as possible to avoid the whitish part on the orange peel. So I'm just going to be grating it out from the orange peel. I had cut at least, for this orange peel powder mixture, I had cut at least 8 oranges. I'm not so sure, I think it was 8 oranges that I had cut, but you just grate out the white part on the orange peel and make sure that what's left is the skin of the orange. After you're done, you want to take your orange peel and place on a flat surface. This is the point where you can also take your orange and put it in an oven to dehydrate it, but I don't have an oven, so I'm just going to take it and put it in a flat surface and then put it under the sun where it can receive enough light. I kept it under the sun for 5 days just because the sun wasn't hot enough. So now I have my dried orange peel and it's ready for me to blend. One thing you also want to do is to cover it with a clean cloth, to prevent insects and other things from, dust and debris from covering the orange, because you're going to be using it for your skin, so you want it to be as clean as possible. The next thing you want to do is to just break it up a bit and then put it in your blender, your mill, your coffee grinder, whatever it is that you have. Here I'm just using a food spice blender to blend it up, and that's basically it. So once you're done blending, the next thing you want to do, is to store it in a bag or a jar, anything you have at that moment. But I'm going to be using a Ziploc bag, and then I'm going to be keeping it in a dark place. This way it helps to prevent oxidation. Like when the orange peel is exposed too much to light, it kind of loses its nutrients, so you want to put it in a dark place to preserve the nutrient. You can add this orange peel powder to your black soap because it's good in orange is good. It has a high citric acid with content, which helps in skin exfoliation and to dry out acne. It also improves the overall look of your skin. It helps to form, the vitamin C present in the orange helps to form collagen and elastin, keeping your skin young and supple. You can also use the orange peel powder to get rid of blemishes by mixing it with honey and yogurt. For acne, you can mix the orange peel as a face mask with oatmeal and baking soda. And for oily skin, you can use 2 tablespoons of orange peel, 1 tablespoon of milk, and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. So this orange peel is really good.